Welcome to our video on forestry. Discover the art of sustainable timber harvesting, balancing nature and industry. Meet the mightiest logging machines, feller bunchers, skidders, and harvesters like the John Deere 959M and Tigercat 625H, built for power, precision, and efficiency in large-scale wood extraction. The tree cutting and peeling attachment for excavators is a specialized piece of equipment designed to streamline forestry and land clearing tasks. Mounted on an excavator's arm, this attachment combines cutting and debarking functions, making it highly efficient for processing trees. Its primary function is to fell trees by using sharp, durable blades that can slice through trunks of varying diameters with precision. Once the tree is cut, the attachment's peeling mechanism removes the bark, preparing the timber for further processing or transport. This dual-purpose tool is particularly valuable in logging, land reclamation, and construction projects, as it reduces the need for multiple machines and manual labor. The attachment is hydraulically powered, leveraging the excavator's system for seamless operation, and its robust design ensures durability in harsh environments. Operators can control the cutting and peeling processes with high accuracy, improving productivity and safety on job sites. Additionally, the attachment is versatile, compatible with different excavator models, and can handle both softwood and hardwood species. By automating and accelerating tree processing, this equipment plays a crucial role in modern forestry and land management, offering cost-effective and environmentally conscious solutions. The tree grinder is a robust excavator attachment designed for shredding trees and vegetation. Optimized with high-torque rotors, wear-resistant teeth, and efficient hydraulic systems, it ensures rapid, precise mulching. Its compact design enhances maneuverability, reduces labor, and promotes sustainable land clearing with minimal environmental impact. A handheld chainsaw is a powerful, portable tool designed for cutting wood, pruning trees, and tackling heavy-duty tasks. Its compact design ensures easy maneuverability, making it ideal for both professional and home use. Optimizations include ergonomic handles for comfort, reducing fatigue during extended use. Advanced models feature anti-vibration systems, enhancing precision and safety. Lightweight materials improve portability without sacrificing durability. Modern chainsaws incorporate fuel-efficient engines or electric motors for eco-friendly operation. Automatic chain lubrication systems minimize maintenance, while quick-stop brakes enhance safety. Adjustable chain tensioners ensure consistent performance, making handheld chainsaws versatile, efficient, and reliable for various cutting applications.
But now you can see, because I put that Dutchman in, so that Dutchman closes. And
a metal shredder is a robust machine engineered to pulverize and recycle metal scraps, transforming them into manageable pieces for reuse. Its immense power stems from high-torque motors and durable cutting blades, capable of crushing tough materials like steel, aluminum, and copper. Optimized for efficiency, these machines feature heavy-duty construction to withstand intense workloads. Advanced models include automated feed systems, ensuring consistent throughput. The shredder's strength lies in its ability to process large volumes quickly, reducing energy consumption. Safety enhancements like emergency stops and overload protection ensure reliable operation. Metal shredders are indispensable in recycling, offering unmatched power and precision for industrial applications. tree stump grinder is a powerful machine designed to remove tree stumps by shredding them into small wood chips. Its robust strength comes from high-performance engines, often diesel or gasoline-powered, delivering exceptional torque to drive sharp, durable cutting wheels. These machines can grind stumps deep below ground level, ensuring complete removal. Optimized for efficiency, modern stump grinders feature hydraulic systems for precise control and maneuverability, allowing operators to tackle stumps of varying sizes. Compact designs enhance portability, while heavy-duty frames ensure durability under intense conditions. Advanced models include safety features like automatic shutoffs and ergonomic controls, minimizing operator fatigue. The machine's power enables rapid processing, making it ideal for landscaping, forestry, and land clearing. With low maintenance and fuel-efficient engines, tree stump grinders combine raw strength with reliability, transforming challenging stump removal into an efficient, cost-effective task for professionals and homeowners alike.